Dr. Jaffe, what are the most important vitamins to consume daily?
Well, we developed the Lifeguard Tabsule, a super multi with 40 active ingredients in meaningful amounts, in 1987. And we've done a double-blind placebo-controlled trial showing unprecedented bioavailability and uptake. In addition, you need nature's ascorbate. You need fully reduced, fully buffered L-ascorbate produced under a nitrogen blanket to protect it from air oxidation. And frankly, most commercial vitamin Cs are made cheaply in the air and they are damaged and not what I'm recommending. So nature's ascorbate, enough of the Lifeguard to keep your urine sunshine yellow, keeping well hydrated, of course, and being aware that today we need other supplementation depending on our exposure. Most of these exposures are invisible. They're in the air, they're in the water, they're in the food, they're in the environment. But their ability to consume essential nutrients is well documented. These are anti-nutrients. These are oxidative, damaging, free radical generating molecules. Just say no. So at a minimum, daily Lifeguard, Potency Guard, and the polyphenolics that go with the nature's ascorbate, specifically quercetin dihydrate and soluble OPC as the safer and more effective polyphenolic flavonoids and flavonols. You might want to consider zinc. You certainly should consider magnesium with the enhanced uptake of choline citrate. So there's a family or a suite of supplements. We even have a quintet for digestive restoration if that's desired. Because today in the 21st century, thriving is a challenge. And our book, Thriving in the 21st Century, lays out this plan in some detail, explains why nature's nutrients are essential more even today than in years before, and why we can't rely on the data from the 19th and 20th century to guide us in the 21st century. We need to wake up. We need to fall in love again with nature, nurture, and wholeness. We need to look at ourselves and take in as much as we need with the simple guidance that keep your urine sunshine yellow. Do a C cleanse once a week to find out how much of nature's ascorbate you need. When in doubt, take more polyphenolics. And check your AM, your morning urine pH, and take magnesium and choline citrate 2, 3, 4, 5 doses a day based on how much extra acid you're producing in your body that your kidney is trying to get rid of to save you. But metabolic acidosis underlies chronic illness. Metabolic acidosis is rampant today because we get too much bad and too little good. So I want to reduce the bad. I want to increase the good. I want you to know that basic, simple, a few supplements a day can save your life.